Hey guys, it's Kate. Today's video is going to be a Stoney Clover unboxing. Now, I've been pretty good about staying away from the launches. There was the Canvas collection, the Coca-Cola collection, the Pixar Toy Story collection, which I'm still floored I never purchased anything from. And then lo and behold, they hit me with the Pride collection. Now, the Pride collection they released last year, and it was just in the Fanny Pack, and it sold out within minutes. And I wasn't on Stoney Clover as much as I am now. So when I heard from the announcement that they were bringing it back this year, I had to be on it at 10 a.m. And they brought back not just the Fanny, but a bunch of goodies that I'm gonna show you guys because I have no self-control. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. And that's it. So I'm gonna stop talking. So here is our bag. We know what this looks like at this point. And of course, we also have our little receipt pouch. This is clearly from their the Canvas collection, which I did not purchase anything from, but it's super cute. And then this just has all of my items. I chose not to get anything personalized because I was too scared things were gonna sell out. And then lo and behold, I think the last time I looked on the website, there's still stuff available. So I guess I just don't have a good gauge on what is gonna be super popular. These are the little postcard and stickers that are inside the invoice pouch. All right, moving on to the goodies. I know that's super annoying, I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna kind of go in the order of how things are laying down. First thing I'm pulling out is the pouch. All right, so here is I just said pouch, I meant Fanny. Here is the Fanny in all its terry cloth rainbow pastel glory. This is the original Fanny Pack size, not the jumbo. I only have, I think this is now my third original size. I really like the jumbo. I feel like there's a significant difference in what you can fit in the original versus the jumbo, but they did not offer this in the jumbo and I had to have it, so beautiful, absolutely stunning. The zipper, of course, is that nice slick zip. It's gold, and then it is a white, kind of wipe down material on the inside, which is great if anything happens to spill. But did you guys see that glide? Like butter. Butter. Absolutely love the Stoney zips. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, you guys. You guys. Stop it. Okay, so they had this one. They also had a heart. I had to get the rainbow. Look at him. I'm gonna put it on the little backpack. You guys, he's huge. He's like a big, you know what this reminds me of? The Lucky Charms marshmallows. It's like a big old puffy marshmallow. So cute. I'm gonna put that on the bag. Had to get the bucket hat. I'm definitely a bucket hat girly. More so than a baseball cap girly. I'm gonna take down my hair to put this on. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Just a little claw clip. All right. Let's see what we got. The tag is still on it, so let's not focus too much on that on my head. Oh yes. I mean, you guys, for summer, laying out on the beach, I love to flip it up. I know that that's probably real 90s to do the little flip up. I think probably most people wear it like this. But I like to do the flip up, very Blossom. So cute. So cute. And it's just so comfortable because it's the terry cloth. So it's malleable. It's a really comfortable material, especially if you're wearing it on your head, like a bucket hat. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And there goes the sun. The sun has been going in and out as I've been trying to film for the better part of the past like 45 minutes. So 'tis natural light. And then I also got the drawstring. This is my third drawstring. I do have the red velvet with the gold embroidered Mickey heads on it that they released last Christmas, as well as the all over Goofy print that they just released in this newest Disney drop. So this does make my third drawstring. I did have a green one from the Homecoming collection, but I did patch it and then not ended up loving the way the patches aligned. Nothing to do with how Stoney Clover sewed them on. It's how I placed them or the look that I created. I didn't end up loving it. So I did end up selling that bag. So this is my third drawstring, but you guys, I was gonna put the puff charm on here, but I actually might have to put it on the Fanny because I don't know where it would go on this bag. I don't think it would go, yeah, I might actually have to put it here. That's fine. Here, let's go like this. Oh yeah. So we're gonna put them together like this. And then this is gonna be all by his onesies. Okay, but that is everything that I got from the Pride collection. Pretty quick video, but I was just so excited to finally unbox this and move my stuff into my bag so I could start carrying it around. I mean, I would love to know if you guys picked up anything from the Pride collection or really anything from any of the recent Stoney drops. They are hitting it hard. They just announced, and I think what dropped today is June 8th, that there is like a holographic disco summer one. I think I'm gonna skip on that one as well, just because like I said, I'm gaining quite the collection very quickly, so I'm trying to be meticulous about what's coming in. So I'm probably gonna skip on that as well. Going to be strong. But this one I just knew because I really wanted this last year and I could not get it. It sold out too quick. So I was on at 10 a.m. so I could get all of these pieces. And I'm so, so happy. I mean, look at you guys. This pastel rainbow is absolute perfection. And I love that they brought on a creative director that is part of the queer community. It's wonderful queer representation as far as designing a collection in support of it, not just from people that want to make money off of Pride Month. So I really appreciate that as well. I'm fairly certain on the launch, part of the stories that they were releasing on their Instagram was that a percentage of this was being donated to the Trevor Project. And I also feel like the one that Miley Cyrus introduced, I'm forgetting the name, but I would definitely encourage you to check out their socials because they put a lot of information on their Instagram regarding like how money was being delegated to these organizations from this drop, which was fantastic as well. But that is all. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up so I know to continue with the Stoney Clover unboxings and further put money on my credit card, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.